Okay, so malinaw ba class? Malinaw ako? Okay, sige. So, I'm sharing my screen. Nakikita niyo na ba? Okay, so we will be discussing yung quiz natin last time. So, for those na kampante sa sagot nila, you will find out if tama ba. And for those na hindi naman alam ang gagawin and lost during the exam at some numbers, edi madi-discuss po natin, no? So, I encourage you to get your reviewer or your index cards with you as well as your calculator para sabayan nyo ako. Para naman maging worthwhile yung pagdi-discuss ko ng quiz sa class. Ano po? So, first, here, number one, those associated with an operation that varies. That varies daw po. So, anong ibig sabihin noon? Di tayo ay variable cost. And then number two, these are the costs that are difficult to allocate. Difficult to allocate daw po. Ibig sabihin mahirap alamin or mahirap ilagay agad sa certain na paglalagyan o paggagamitan. Bakit? Kasi siguro hindi direct to the point or hindi ganun ka-specific agad. Hindi mo alam agad kung ano. So, it's indirect cost. Difficult to allocate. Number three, sabi dito, a person who undertakes the risk of starting a new business. So, it's entrepreneur. And number four, occurs when a unique product or service is available only from a single entity. So, sabi po, from a single entity. So, isa lamang, monopoly. And then for number five, occurs in a situation which any given product is supplied by a large number of vendors and there is no restriction. So, perfect competition po tayo. Perfect. The number six, method to determine the point where the revenues and expenses are equal. Break-even analysis po. And the number seven involves the analysis of problems for manufacturing a product or rendering a service based on present or immediate cost. Present, from the word present, the present economy. Present economy. And then, for number 8, sabi dito, transaction arranged as a series of equal cash flow at regular interval. E di yun po yung equal uniform series. Yun. And then number 11 po natin, it is any method of repaying a debt, the principal and interest included, usually by a series of equal payments at an equal interval of time. So, ano po yun? Ibig sabihin, yun po ay equal uniform series. So, yun po ang sagot. Ano po? And then number 9, a periodic payment increases or decreases by a constant percentage. Geometric. By a constant percentage. And then number 10, cash flow is one wherein the cash flow changes or increases or decreases by the same amount. Pag same amount ang difference niya sa mga following period, it's arithmetic. Number 11, method of repaying a debt, the principal and interest included, usually by a series of equal payments at an equal interval of time. The answer is amortization. Number 12, it is the increase in the price for goods and services from one year to another. That is inflation. The number 13, annuity daw po in which the payment continue indefinitely. So, it's perpetuity. And for the 14, annuity pa rin but at the beginning of each period. So, annuity do. Then for 7, regular interval from period 1 through n. It's ordinary annuity. So, at this point, alam mo na kung ilang points ang nakuha mo sa concepts. At this point, you know na if how many points do you have. So, let's go sa problem solving. So, dito po sa problem solving, sino pwedeng bumasa?
Pabasa naman ako, kahit isa lang, para may ambag ngayong hapon. Basta, basa na agad.
A parent wishes to develop a fund for newborn child's college education. The fund is to pay 50,000 on the 18th, 19th, 20th, and 21st birthday of the child. The fund will be built up by the deposit of fixed sum on the child's first to 17th birthday. The rate of interest is 4% per annum.
Okay. Sige. Thank you. Salamat sa pagbasa. Okay, so yun po, siguro naman ay naintindihan naman ng lahat ang sinabi. Ano po, the first question is, what is the equivalent present amount of the accumulated fund during the 18th, 19th, 20th, and 21st birthday? Ibig sabihin, magkano daw ang present equivalent amount? Ano ang present equivalent amount nung mapipay out sa 18th, 19th, 20th, and 21st birthday? So what is that? That is P. In that case, may pika, may lalabas ka na pera sa ika-18th, 19th, 20th, and 21st. Anong klaseng annuity ito? Anong klaseng annuity ito? May lalabas na pera sa ika-18th, 19th, 20th, 21st. What kind
Deferred
of
po.
deferred? Correct. Thank you. So, deferred po ito. P. Alam naman natin ang A. So, aalamin lang natin ang P. So, for a deferred, ang P natin is A times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N over I times, dahil siya nga ay deferred, madadagdagan lang ng 1 plus I raised to negative K. So, you should get the answer of 93,174 pesos and 55 centavos. Nagkakaunawaan po? Kung nakuha ito sa exam ay magaling, kung hindi nakuha, now you know how it is done. Ano po? Okay. So, number 17. Number 17. What is the fixed sum to be deposited on the child's first to 17th birthday? Sa number 17 naman, ano pong formula or klase ng annuity ang kailangan mong gamitin? Ang tinatanong sa atin ay magkano kailangan nating i-deposito simula sa ikaunang taon hanggang ikalabing-pitong taon para makakuha ng ganong amount. Ano po ang gagamitin nating formula? Anong klase ng annuity? Hello, mga beshi ko. Anong gagamiting formula ng annuity? Anong klase ng annuity na lang? Go. Para makuha yung number 17. Okay, so ako kuhanin po, ang gagamitin po ay ordinary annuity. Meron na tayong P kanina, may present value ka na, 93,174.55. Gagamitin mo po yan ngayon. So ngayon, yan ka na, 93,174.55, yan ang present equivalent amount mo. Tapos, aalamin mo ngayon ang A. Aalamin mo ang A. 1 minus 1 plus I is to negative N over I. Yan. Ordinary annuity. So, you should get 7,658 pesos and 81 centavos. If hindi nakuha nung exam, ngayon ay sana'y naintindihan mo na. Nakuha? Yung present equivalent na nakuha kanina ginamit para makuha yung amortization or yung babayaran kada taon. So next, we have problem number 2. The president of a growing engineering firm wishes to give each of 50 employees a holiday bonus. How much is needed to invest for a year at 12% nominal interest rate compounded monthly so that each employee will receive a 1,000 bonus? So kung iisipin mo, magkano ang future amount na gustong magkaroon ng company? So kung may 50 employees siya, gusto niyang bigyan ng tig 1,000, kailangan niya ng 50,000 sa future. So that's our F. Now, question number 18. How much is the equal amount needed to invest for a year at 12% nominal interest rate? Kung tatandaan nyo, isang taon lang naman i-invest. Pero 12% nominal interest rate. And take note ha, compounded monthly. Ang sabi dun sa problem. Compounded monthly. Kaya ang 0.12 divided by 12 pa yan. Ano nga ba ang gagamiting formula? If you will be reading the problem, how much is the equal amount needed? Dahil may sinabing equal amount needed, kailangan mong gumamit ng annuity. And in this case, it is again ordinary annuity. So dahil ang meron kay F, wala ka namang P, anong gagamitin natin? So F is equals to A times 1 plus I raised to N minus 1 over I. So, yun lang po ang ating gagamitin. Ordinary annuity pa rin. And then, you should get 3,942 pesos and 44 centavos. Nagkakaintindihan? Number 3. You plan to accumulate 450,000 over a period of 12 years by making equal annual deposits in an account that pays annual interest rate of 9%. Assume that all payments will occur at the beginning of each year. At the beginning of each year. So, by reading that at the beginning of each year, siya ay ano? Siya ay annuity due. Di ka po? Annuity due. What amount must you deposit each year to reach your goal? So, A ang hinahanap mo. Meron kang F. So, nothing to worry about. Annuity due formula, medyo mahaba lang. Pero ano ba ang annuity due na formula? F is equals to A times 1 plus I raised to N plus 1 minus 1 over I minus A. Yan. So, A ang ating hinahanap. Ano po? Ang N natin ay 9. So, paplasan pa ng 1. Ang I natin is 0.09 lang. Per year naman yung interest eh. Okay? So, yan ang formula because it's annuity due because it happens at the payments happens or deposits happen in the beginning of each year. Okay? Maliwanag po doon. Okay, next. Sample problem number 4. Sabi po dito, a man bought a car in installment basis. If he pays 10,000 per month at a rate of 15%, compounded monthly for 3 years. Okay? Compounded monthly. So, ang I natin ay hindi as it is. So, number 20, what is the estimated cash price of the car? Dito, sa tanong na iyan, dapat mo malaman na ang hinahanap dyan ay P. Yung value ng car. Inutang mo, kaya magbabayad ka ng 10,000 per month at 15% interest for 3 years. So, P ang hinahanap, ano ito? Klaseng annuity. This is just an ordinary annuity. Oh, walang kamatayang ordinary annuity. A times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N over I. Madali. I am hoping na nakuha to na lahat sa exam at pag hindi ay nakakatampo naman. Number 21. Find the accumulated amount of the money paid for car if it chooses to for installment basis. Accumulated amount of the money paid. So, this is F naman, yung future naman natin after natin mabayaran lahat. So, using ordinary annuity, F is as simple as A times the quantity of 1 plus I raised to N minus 1 over I. Okay? So, yan lang yan. Yung problem number 4, it's just a matter of ordinary annuity. Bigay na ang problem na iyan. Bigay na. Bigay na ha, bigay na ang problem na iyan. Number 5. Sino pwedeng bumasa, class? Pakibasa na agad, like recta na, go.
If if you deposited 15,000 per year for 9 years, each deposit is made at the beginning of each year in an account that pays an annual interest of 8%.
Ma'am, naka-off mic po kayo.
Ay, nako, saan ako tumigil mag-iimek, class? Saan ako tumigil mag-iimek?
After po nung pagbasa nung problem 5.
Ay, okay, sige, sorry. Okay, thank you sa pagsabi. Okay, so problem number 22, class, sabi, what will be your account worth at the end of 9 years? Okay, so ang tinatanong po doon is yung F, di ba? Future ng account mo, worth ng account mo sa dulo. So that is future equivalent amount. And remember, sabi, at the beginning of each year. So, unwitted do. So, ito po ang formula ng unwitted do. Yang sinulat kong iyan. Nandiyan naman lahat ng A, 15,000. Ang N, 9 years. Kaso plus 1, kaya magiging raised to 10. Ang I is 0.08. Annual naman yung interest. Ano po, kaya no problem at all. And then, for number 23, principal amount naman po ang hinihingi. So, ang hinihingi naman po sa atin is P. Still, unwitted due po ito. Kaya ang formula naman is P is equals to A plus A times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N minus 1 over I. So, iyan naman po. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo sa kada number, isang formula lang naman ang ginagamit. It's just a matter you understanding the problem, knowing what formula to use. Ano po? And kung sa ulo ang formula. Okay? Nagkakaintindihan? Okay. Kaya pala kanina, sa number 22, no, sinabi ko naiintindihan nyo, wala nag-heart. Yun pala, ay ako pala yung nakamute. Thank you. Sige. Number 24. If the interest rate, o yan guys, babaguhin ang interest, di ba kanina 8? If the interest rate will be 12% compounded monthly, what will be your account worth at the end of 9 years? So what are we looking for? Still, F. Ano lang magbabago? Yung interest rate. So, marami po ang nagkamali dito. F is equals to A. Ano ba ang A? 15,000 times 1 plus 0.12 over 12 kasi compounded monthly. Raised to negative raised to n plus 1. Ang n plus 1 is 9 plus 1. Eh, di ba, compounded monthly. Compounded monthly. Nababasa yan, compounded monthly. Kaya, may times 12 pa dito. Okay? 9 plus 1 muna bago times ng 12. Hindi 9 times 12 tsaka pa plus ng 1. Naintindihan? 9 plus 1 muna bago times ng 12. Okay? And then minus 1 all over I. So again, 0.12 over 12. Di pa doon nagtatapos, may minus 15,000 pa. So dapat mong makuha ito. Letter D. 3,345,580 pesos and 34 centavos. Okay po? Okay. Thank you. So, dito may papakompute ako. Kasi, you will remember last time, sabi ko, walang sagot sa number 29. Kaya, dun sa number 29, kailangan ko kayo ang mag-solve. Kaya, kung wala kayong hawak na calculator, eh, dumampot na. Ha? Alam ko yung iba yung nakikinig na lang sa akin, hindi na nagsosolve. Okay. Number 6. Can somebody read the problem? Basahin na agad.
If your plant has the capacity to produce 3 million units of product per year, at present it is able to produce and sell only 500,000 units yearly at a total revenue of 920,000 pesos. Annual fixed costs are 350,000 pesos and the variable costs per unit are 0.90 centavo pesos. Calculate the firm's annual profit for this production.
Okay, thank you. So, first question is the profit. Paano nga ba ang profit? So, if you will remember, it is the total revenue minus total cost. But, ang total cost pa ay fixed cost plus variable cost times demand. So, ang ating total cost pa is 350K plus 0.90 times 500K. So, that is 800K ang total cost. So, ang profit natin is magkano? 920K, which is the total revenue, minus 800K na ating total cost. We get 120,000 as our profit. I believe marami ang nakakuha nito sa inyo. Ano po? No-brainer, ma'am. Yes, that's very easy, di ba? Now, number 26. How many units should be sold annually to break even? You know that the break-even formula is fixed cost is equals to P minus CV. Actually, bago mo makuha yung sagot sa number 26, makukuha mo yung sagot sa number 27. Price per unit. Kasi sa number 26, meron kang fixed cost. 350,000. Meron ka bang P? Wala. Meron kang CV? Yes, ma'am, 0.9. So, kailangan mong makuha ang P. Paano ba kukuhain ng P? TRPD. Ito ay 920K is equals to P times 500K yung demand. So, we get our P as 1.84. As 1.84 per unit. Okay? Nakuha mo yung number 27, gagamitin mo siya sa number 26, 1.84. Kaya naman, makukuha mo na 350K divided by 1.84 minus 0.9, you'll get 372,340 units. Okay? Itong number 6 na ito ay bigay na bigay na. Napaka-easy ng question na ito. Alam mo, ito yung nasagutan ng lahat. Ano po? At pero kung may nangyari pa na hindi nasagutan dahil nakalimutan ang formula ay wala tayo ding magagawa. It happens. Now, down to our last number. Number 7. A research laboratory which requires 6 million for original construction and 200,000 at the end of every year for the first 6 years, and then 140,000 each year thereafter for operating expenses, and 400 every 6 years of replacement. Kung alam niyo yan, ang fixed cost natin dito, yung 6 million. Ito, annuity to. 200 kada taon sa loob ng 6 na taon. And then itong 140, annuity din yan sa ikapitong taon. Hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan. Itong 400,000, S na po agad yan. Wala nang salvage value na nabanggit. Yan na agad yung amount needed to replace an equipment. Kung iisipin nyo, nagpagawa, mag-maintenance, nagpalit, what case is this? This is case number 3. At ano nga ang capitalized cost in case number 3? Capitalized cost is equals to fixed cost plus A over I plus X. And it happens that our X is S over 1 plus I raised to K minus 1. Ano po? Napakadali. Now, question number 28. O, ma'am, naisulat mo na yan. Ayan, tanong. Okay, number 28. What? Mag-calculator kayo ha, kasi tatanong ko yung sagot sa number 29. What is the total principal amount of operating expenses? So, ma'am, alin po dyan ang operating expenses? Ang operating expenses po dyan is yung A over I lang. Yung present equivalent nila. Kung iisipin mo, ano ba ang mga operating expenses? 200,000 kada taon sa loob ng 6 na taon. Principal amount, meaning present equivalent. So, P. Ordinary annuity yun. So, it is 200K times 1 minus 1.15 raised to negative 6 over 0.15. Oh, yan yung sa 200K. Hindi pa dito tatapos. May plus pa ulit yan. Plus, kung nailalagay sa kumbaga sulat, di na nga sa gilid. May P pa ulit tayo. Isa pang P, yung A over I naman, yung 140. 140K over 0.15. Ilang taong deferred? 6. 6 na taon pong deferred. So, 1.15 raised to negative 6. Ipag-a-add nyo po yan. Pag pinag-add nyo po yan, ay 1,160,402 pesos and 30 centavos. Yan po ang principal amount ng operating expenses. Yan na yung A over I natin. Madali naman ang fixed cost, 6 million, diga? Ang X, madali na. S dot na ay 400,000 over 1 plus I raised to K minus 1. Ngayon, tanong sa number 29. Sabi ko nga, sagutan mo na natin ang number 30. Ano po? Sabi, what is the capitalized cost of a research laboratory? So, ibig sabihin, ano pong formula ang gagamitin namin, ma'am? Ito na po. Yung buong yan. Ano po? So, capitalized cost ng buo daw. So, anong fixed cost? 6M. Anong A over I? Nakumpit na natin kanina. 1,160,402 pesos and 30 centavos. Ang X, madali na, 400K over 1.15 raised to 6 kasi kada 6 na taon papalitan. Plus 1. Minus 1. So, yan na po. Yan na agad yan lang ating number 30. Makukuha mo na dapat ang sagot na letter B. 7,465,034 pesos and 5 centavos. Okay? Yan na, makukuha mo na yan. Ngayon, tsaka natin sagutan ng number 9. Kuhain ng mga calculator, kailangan ko ng sagot. Sabi, what is the total capitalized cost if we will disregard the maintenance of 200,000? Ibig sabihin, kung kanina ang ating operating expenses ay ito at ito, aalisin yung sa 200,000. Ito lang kabila ang gagamitin, yung 140,000. Ano po? So, papaano ba? Ganun pa rin, capitalized cost, meron pa rin namang maintenance na 140,000 eh, hindi lang kasama daw yung 200,000. Okay, so papaano po? So, sa number 20 na, so, sa number 29, capitalized cost is equals to 6 million plus 140,000 over 0.15 times 1.15 raised to negative 6 plus 400k over 1.15 raised to 6 minus 1. Ano ngayon ang sagot sa number 29? Class, ano pong sagot?
8,463,488.47 po.
Wait lamang. Dapat yan ay nasa 7 million. Ay, 7 million. 6 million. Ulit, try.
6,602,376.45 po ba?
6,700,000. O, konti pa. Sino pa? 6,708,000. Go lang. Baka may nagkamali lang ang na-input. $6,708,137 and 51 centavos. So, yan po ang ating magiging sagot. Ano po? So, inalis lamang po yung 200,000 din eh. Ang tinake into account na lang is yung maintenance na 140,000. Okay? So, class, kaya lang naman talaga tayo nag-meet today para i-discuss ito. So, wait na lang kayo sa further announcement para sa midterms. And tinatapos ko lang din yung inyong problem set. Ano po? So, yan. Diniscuss ko na din ito para review na rin sa inyo. So, sana naman ay nakatulong. Ano po? So, hindi ko na kayo i-hold ng matagal. Mahalaga na discuss ko. Hindi ko pa lang siya ipopost sa ating classroom kasi para isang uploadan na. Pero pag in-upload ko, yung key lang. Wala yung pinaka-solution. Kasi na-discuss ko na naman. Kaya dapat nakakinig kayo kasi I cannot feed you everything naman. Ano? O siya, sige, bahala na kayo. Sa next week na ulit tayo magkita-kita.